That good? Mmm, sweet potato. Mmm. Yummy, yummy. Cooked sweet potato. Right? Boiled it. Mmm. Yeah, you like it. So what I'll do, sometimes I'll pretend to eat it. If Ricco's not interested in it. Mmm, it's good, Ricco. Yeah. If your bird is kind of picky or finicky, just try doing that. And then they might get interested. Yeah. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. Right, Ricco? Yeah, it's good. Once in a while, a sweet potato is good for you. Right? You like it? Yeah. And you get royalty treatment from the spoon, right? Mmm. Mmm. It's good? Show everybody your dirty mouth. Look at your dirty mouth. Mmm. I like it. You like it? It's good. Okay, go enjoy. Say bye, everybody. I'm going to go eat my sweet potato. Say bye. Bye-bye. Look at your mouth. Bye.